Now to introduce our brand new grills, I'd really like to turn it over to the inventor.
Hi, I'm Todd with High Performance Cookers. I'm the product creator for the company. After 3 years designing this product, we've solved several major problems in the gas grill industry. The biggest problem with gas grills today is that they're all made of stainless steel. And you would think a grill made of stainless steel would last forever. However, they, for the most part, whether you spend $500 or $6,000, they all turn into a bucket of rust. We decided to design a grill that would never turn into a rust bucket and would withstand the temperatures of grilling without wear.